Tired of grinding every coin in Hypixel Skyblock? Let's unlock early game passive income secrets. Step 1. Embrace the power of minions. For early game passive income, focus on farm-based minions like wheat or carrot. Place them strategically on your island, ensuring they have a clear area to spawn items. Step 2. Maximize minion efficiency as you gather coins. Upgrade your minions to higher tiers. Equip them with tools like diamond pickaxes or enchanted lava buckets to boost their collection speed and item output. Don't forget to collect their spawned items regularly. Step 3. Build smart farms. Even early on, you can create semi-automated farms. Focus on crops like wheat, potatoes, or carrots. Design your farm with water channels to efficiently move harvested crops to a central collection point. Step 4. Strategic selling. Check the Hypixel Skyblock Bazaar. Regularly sell your harvested crops during peak demand times. Even small amounts sold consistently add up quickly, fueling your early game economy. Step 5. Consider iron and coal minions. These are another excellent early game passive income source. Their generated items can be smelted into bars, which are always in demand for crafting and upgrades. By consistently utilizing minions and smart farming, you'll start accumulating passive income, allowing you to invest in better gear, unlock new skills, and progress much faster in Hypixel Skyblock.